Frogs in danger. Frogs are very sensitive to their surroundings. Even tiny changes in the environment can greatly affect their health. Frogs are an indicator species because they react to these changes sooner than other animals do. The presence, absence, and health of frogs in an area can tell us about the health of the environment. People all over the world are noticing malformed frogs or frogs with abnormal bodies. Some of these frogs are missing eyes and legs. Others have extra or poorly formed legs. No one is sure why frogs are becoming malformed, but many people believe that air and water pollution are to blame. If you look down here in this photograph, scientists around the world are studying frogs to find out why they are malformed and dying. After eating malformed frogs, other animals are becoming sick too. If pollution is making frogs and other animals unhealthy, it could also make people sick. Fewer places to live, which would be their habitats. Frogs are part of a healthy planet, but they are in trouble. The greatest danger to frogs is the loss of their habitats all over the world. People drain wetlands, clear forests, and build roads and buildings where frogs once lived. They introduce or bring new animals into frog habitats. Some of these animals eat tadpoles and frogs, and others compete with frogs for food. Vanishing frogs. The number of frogs is shrinking worldwide. At least 3 types of frogs have become extinct in the last 20 years. Extinct animals no longer live anywhere on Earth. Even rainforest frogs have begun to vanish, and they are in areas far from where people live. Scientists think that pollution may be to blame. Frogs can survive only in water that is not polluted by chemicals. If there are no frogs or other amphibians living in a pond, it is a sign that the pond is polluted. No sunscreen for frogs. Each year, more ultraviolet light from the sun reaches Earth. Ultraviolet light causes suntans, sunburns, and skin cancer in people. Some scientists think that the extra ultraviolet light may harm frogs as they grow and cause them to become malformed.